In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. Then your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one from those settings, click on plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!